Follow these steps to update the BIOS on your Dell system, ensuring your PC's optimal performance and stability. To do this manually, go to dell.com/support. Click the info card to see the recommended link to access. Enter your computer service tag or click on this PC if your system is shown. Click on Drivers and Downloads, expand Access the complete list of drivers and downloads for your system, and set your operating system accordingly. Select BIOS for the category field. From the list populated below, click Download for the BIOS update file. If more than one BIOS version is listed, it's highly recommended to download and install each one separately in sequence from the oldest release date to the most current. Once the download is complete, go into your Downloads folder and click on the BIOS update file you've just downloaded to run it. Accept the changes and the BIOS firmware update will begin. If alerted that BitLocker is enabled, tick the appropriate box to suspend the BitLocker drive encryption, then click Update and follow any on-screen instructions. After all the firmware data is loaded, click Restart to complete the installation, which is done outside of Windows. Once the BIOS update completes outside of Windows, the system will boot into Windows normally. If you still need help or have any questions, contact us through social media for assistance. We also have the Dell Community Forum where you can see what others have to say about the subject. Become a subscriber today to get access to all of our support tutorials and be notified when we post future content. Thanks for watching.